Trying to use your Dell docking station only to realize it will not turn on become annoying, especially when monitors, keyboard, or laptop connections suddenly stop working. Many users notice no power light appearing, connected accessories staying inactive, or the docking station refusing to respond after reconnecting cables. Sometimes everything worked fine earlier, yet the dock suddenly feels completely unresponsive. In many situations, a Dell docking station not turning on issue can happen because of power interruptions, loose cable connections, adapter problems, or temporary communication glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or assuming the dock stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Dell docking station turning on properly. Number 1. Disconnect the Dell docking station from power and reconnect the power adapter securely to confirm proper connection. 2. Check whether the docking station power indicator light responds after reconnecting the adapter normally. 3. Remove the laptop connection briefly and reconnect the Dell docking station cable carefully. 4. Try another wall outlet or compatible power adapter if the docking station still stays unresponsive. 5. Restart the laptop and reconnect the Dell docking station to confirm whether it powers on normally.